Good morning, everyone! Ngunya naman, Lae 501, ibanan niyo ako magadon sa Rihil 5, talilibuton, taan, albay! So, welcome to the world's most perfect cone, home of the Oragon, Bicol Region, Philippines, Albay! Ngunyan, bago kita mag-abot sa inot na destinasyones, muya ko kamutawan kidi na kaisipan malugod sa lugar na Albay. Ang Albay ay ang sentro kan Rehiyon Bicol na kung saan nakalokasyon ini sa timog na parte kang bulkang ngayon. Ang kapital kang probinsya ay ang siyudad kang Legazpi. Ang mga taong naga-iristar sa Albay ay tiga-apot na Albayanos. Asin, ang sa indang dialekto ay inapod na Bicol. So, here in Albay, they say good morning as marhay na aga. So, can you say it with me? Alright, very good! And when it comes to their personality, they are maisog, and maisog means matapang or brave. And Bicol is also known as Ibalon, meaning people from the other side or people who know how to receive guests. So they are religious, quiet, friendly, cheerful, courageous in the trial of life, and fond of foods with coconut milk and chili. Just like Bicol Express, laing, and many more. And when you taste these kinds of food, you can't say anything but masiraman. And in masiraman in English is delicious. Masiraman. So, ngunyan, handa na ba ka sa inot na destinasyon ta? Therefore, let's go to Cagsawa Ruins! Let's go! So, the ruins are currently located in Barangay Busay, Cagsawa, in the municipality of Daraga, Albay, Philippines. It is part of Cagsawa Park, is protected and maintained by the Municipal Government of Daraga and the National Museum of the Philippines, and is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the area. So, the Baroque Church of Cagsawa was originally built in 1587 in the small town of Cagsawa. So, it is spelled as Cagsawa during the Hispanic era in the Philippines. The church, however, was burned down by Dutch pirates on July 25, 1636. But in 1724, the church was rebuilt by the Franciscan friars under Father Francisco Blanco. And on February 1, 1814, the strongest eruption recorded to date of the Mayon volcano burned the town of Cagsawa and its surroundings area under several hundred million cubic meters of tephra and lahar, killing an estimated 2,000 people. But the ruins of Cagsawa Church now stand as the site of the Cagsawa Ruins Park, one of the most popular tourist destinations in Albay. So, Cagsawa Ruins is a historical landmark that serves as the centerpiece of the Cagsawa Ruins Park, where tourists can enjoy the scenic view of the Mayon volcano. So, Cagsawa was derived from the word Cag, which means owner, and Sawa for python. And it could also mean too much or excess. And now, let's go to our second destination, the Daraga Church. So, among the most notable and must-visit churches in the Philippines is Daraga Church, also known as Church of Nuestra Señora de la Porteria. And this Daraga Albay tourist spot has witnessed numerous historic events like the 1814 Mayon eruption and the World War II. And share ko lang din po pala, nag-inquire din po ako dito sa Daraga Church nung grade 10 po ako. Nagkairinitan na ba ka mo? Asin mo yang magpasiram-siram? Kaya tara na mag-iba pa siring sa ikatulong destinasyon ta sa Mulad Bukad Beach. So, those looking for beaches in Albay will be delighted to visit Malud Bukad White Beach. Apart from its white sand, stunning beach views, and calming atmosphere, the beach is also home to many starfish and has been declared a starfish sanctuary by the local government. But remember not to disturb or pick up from the water any starfish you come across to keep them safe. This white sand beach in Albay is located in the municipality of Manito and is roughly 45 kilometers over an hour drive away from Legazpi. So, this Manito Albay tourist spot is the perfect quick side trip for anyone who's staying in the city and wants a dose of sun, sand, and sea. So this place is where you feel the scent of the nature, hear the songs of wild birds, and the relaxing whisper of the waves. And it is perfect for Instagrammable background. So now let's talk about their festivities. So I have here Magayon Festival and Ibalong Festival. So in Magayon Festival, this festival is meant to honor Mayon volcano's beauty, with Magayon meaning always beautiful to look at, and it is held every month of May. So Magayon Festival is derived from the popular legend of Mayon volcano to honor the province's bounty and beauty. So one of the highlights of this event is the stage reenactment of the tragic love story of Dirigang Magayon and Panganorod, whose fatal deaths gave birth to the volcano. So next is Ibalong Festival. So this is based on the Ibalong epic, showcasing the bravery and strength in the character of three heroes, namely Baltog, Hanjong, and Bantong, as they fought against the villains, Tandayog, Oriol, and Rabot, and the other wild monster that threatened their place and the orderliness of their place. So the Ibalong Festival aims to express warmth and goodwill to all people. So visitors and tourists are all encouraged to celebrate with the Bicolanos. And the Ibalong Festival is also known as the Ibalon Waterfalls. So that would be all. I hope you learned a lot. And just mabalos tabi sa indong gambos na nagdangog. So paalam!